you guys some Halloween things in here. Hi guys, today we're at the HomeGoods. I'm gonna show you some Halloween things they have. Look at this. $199 for this one. Look at that, the way it laughs. Look at this. Look at this Frankenstein over here. How much is this Frankenstein? $549 for this one. Let's keep looking at the Halloween things I want to show you today. Look at this one, $199. You put your candies here. A nice skeleton. Let's keep looking over here. Let me show you this side. Look at these. Look at this one they have. This one is $149.99. And yeah, believe it or not, it's August, but people are starting to buy the Halloween things, even though it's in October, but I see people buying them. Look at this little one. This one is $60. Look at this one over here. $69.99. That one. Let's look over here. Look up top over here. Look at this skeleton. Look at this skull. $12.99 for this one. Look at this one with the little crab. $9.99. Cute little pumpkin. Look at this one. Always be my Halloween. I like that. Let me see if I see a price on this. $14.99 for that one. More stone. Look at this one back here. Another pumpkin. $10 for this one. And this is at the Delray Beach HomeGoods. This is in South Florida. For those of you who ask, $12.99 for this one. Yeah, all my shopping videos are from South Florida. This is where I live, so you check your local HomeGoods and see what they have. Look at this one. $9.99. I don't decorate for Halloween anymore. When my son was little, I used to do all this. But he's 19 now, so this one is $12.99. Look at that. Look at this one. Oh, somebody broke his hand. $12.99. That one. Look at this octopus. Tommy Bahama, $14.99. Look at this Frankenstein. One. $14.99 for this one. Look at this one. $20 for that one. Psychic reading, see your future. $9.99. Reminds me of Hocus Pocus book. I like Hocus Pocus the movie. I love Halloween movies. Look at this one, $12.99. I like when they put the 31 days of Halloween movies. I like that. Look at this one back here. How much is this? Oh, it's battery operated, so you put the batteries there. Lights up. Also, this one is $14.99. Look at this one. To put the candy in there. Looks like it says something too. $40 for this one. Yeah. It does, because it has the... Oh, ooh, look at that. Look at how the eyes light up. Ooh, happy Halloween. Look at this little Hocus Pocus frame. $10 for this one. This is pretty cool though. Look at how that, I like that. Let me stop because I look like a little kid. Okay, look at this one. Cristiano Serrano. Ooh, something fell on that side. $16.99 for this one. Ooh, look at this. How much is this? $24.99 for this one. I like the colors on that. More skulls. Look at this one. $15 for this one. Look at this cat. This black cat. $14.99. Ooh, what is this? Look at this. Oh, this is Hocus Pocus right here. It says try me. Shake gently for smoke effect. Oh, look at that. Look. When you press the button, look what it does. Hocus Pocus. This one is $25. That one. I like that. Look at this Book of Spell. Let's see how much is this Book of Spell. If I could find the price, $20 is the price for that. Some of these things are heavy. I don't want to break anything. Look at this one, $20. Look. That's pretty cool. I have this one. How much is this one? $16.99. Look at this one. Glass with gold. Made in India. $16.99. And this is battery operated. This lights up inside. Pretty cool. Look at this witch. $19.99 for this one. Let me know if you guys decorate for Halloween. That's pretty cool. Look at this one. $14.99. Look at this one. Lights up, batteries included for this one. This black and white one. $14.99. Mikasa is the brand. See? That brand. Look at this one. You put the little lights over here. Yeah, the little candles. $20 for that one. Kind of like Hanukkah, but Halloween. You put the candles in each. 6 candles there. Look at this basket to put the candy. $10. That's a basket. Look at this little one. It's like a bobblehead. How much is this? $14.99 for this one. Look at this skeleton for $60. Look, $60 for this one. These are $19.99. This one is like a picture frame, $9.99 for this one. Look at this one. Lights up. That's too heavy. I'm not gonna pick that up. I don't want to break it, but that's cool. More stuff over here. Look at this one. I wonder how much this one. Oh, $24.99. $24.99 for this one. They have this little black. $14.99 for this one. Look at this. Día de los Muertos. $14.99. Día de los Muertos. Look at this one, 1999. This one, this little pumpkin over here with the yellow, glow in the dark pumpkin. $10 for this one. Look at these boots. With the red roses. $20 for this one. Martha Stewart. Martha Stewart. Turn it off. The music is too loud.